Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the safest and most reliable way to install IPA files on iPhone or iPad. No PC, no jailbreak, no revoke, and yes, this method works even on the latest iOS 26. So make sure you watch till the end, because this method is 100% working right now. Before we start, a quick shout out to today's sponsor, FlekStore. FlekStore is one of the most trusted and stable iOS signing services right now, used by thousands of users worldwide. It gives you revoke-free certificates, smooth app signing, and premium tools that actually work. When you purchase a certificate using the link in the description, you'll get 2 months of premium access free, so don't miss that. In this video, I'll show you how to get FlekStore on your iPhone or iPad, how to install and use Live Container, and finally, how to install IPA files safely without revoke. Let's jump straight into it. First of all, open Safari and then click the FlekStore link in the description to open FlekStore website, and then simply follow the on-screen instructions to install FlekStore on your iPhone or iPad. Now open FlekStore and then hit on Device and simply hit on Add Device and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting and then open Downloaded Profile and then hit Install and then hit Install again to install downloaded profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open FlekStore again, and then simply purchase your certificate. And if you purchased your certificate from the description link, you'll automatically receive 2 months of premium free. Once you have purchased your certificate, now let's move to the next step. Inside FlekStore, search for Live Container. Then hit on Sign App, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again. Now, wait for it to finish installing. Live Container allows you to install and manage IPA files without jailbreak and without PC super powerful tool. Once Live Container is installed in your iPhone or iPad, then open Live Container. Now you will see your FlekStore certificate will be imported successfully. Now download any IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Then hit on Apps, then hit on plus sign, then hit on Install IPA file, then simply select the IPA file you want to install. And that's it, the app installs successfully with no revoke, no PC, no jailbreak. Works perfectly on iPhone and iPad, even on iOS 26. And that's it guys, that's how you can install IPA files on iPhone or iPad without revoke, without PC, and without jailbreak using FlekStore plus Live Container. If this video helped you, smash the like button. Subscribe for more iOS and tech tutorials. Comment if you face any issues, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.